for the sign of Scorpio, all that I need to know about your person moving forward. So let's see what the Scorpio have for the month of June. Okay. For many of you, someone from the past might be wanting a new beginning. They want to let go of all that has happened. Let's forget the past and start new. So someone from the past might want a new beginning. Okay. What else, Spirit? What else is coming up for Scorpio for the month of June? Soulmate connections, please. Okay, so for some of you in the recent past, someone did possibly left you hanging with no closure. That might be coming to a full circle. I believe someone had commitment phobia. So as soon as it came to commitment, someone always left you hanging. Okay, more cards. For what else do we see coming up for Scorpio? For some of you, it might be a completely new possible individual that you guys meet, that you want to move things forward. The past remains in the past. Okay, for some of you, the person you are dealing with could be someone who believes that you're above them, that you are out of their league, so they might be a bit insecure. So that could be kind of playing on them right now, that this might not work long term, this person is way above my league and all that bullshit. So yes, I do believe for some of you there is a lot of changes like coming in terms of your love life, positive changes. Okay, if you do not want your past, I see something new coming in. That is if you do not want your past. Okay, so let's start with tarot now. So what is coming up for Scorpios for the next, let's take 3 weeks? Okay, so I believe many of you guys could be dropping someone. If you guys have had an option between someone who you knew in the past and someone new, then you could be choosing one. Okay, either the past or the new, but you are definitely dropping someone. Okay, so what else is coming up for Scorpios? If you guys want crossroads for the longest time, I believe you guys have made a decision or will be making a decision pretty soon. Okay, so yes, definitely you guys are like possibly putting an end to something that is having no future. Okay, so you guys are deciding to end something in order to move somewhere. So it could be a relationship, friendship, whatever. But I do see you guys dropping someone or something. Okay, so what else do we see coming up for Scorpios, please? So definitely with Four of Swords, you guys might use this time to heal, to possibly stay alone and not be bothered about anything. Okay, with Knight of Swords, you guys are definitely cutting something out of your life. Okay, with High Priestess, for the next couple of I would say weeks, you might just go silent, not really wanting to be bothered. Okay, just wanting to stay on your own. Okay, so in terms of your connection, soulmate connection, what's the overall energy gonna be like? In terms of a connection with Wheel of Fortune in the reverse, this connection really never went anyway. It was always stuck. You felt like luck was never on your side when it comes to this connection having a positive outcome. Okay, so you guys might be cursing your luck. Okay, but I do feel that the connection seems stuck and not being able to get something to a very positive point. Okay, overall, what do we see coming up for Scorpios in terms of relationship? With Sun card, someone who wasn't giving you attention will be giving you a lot of attention this month. Okay, with Eight of Swords, this person, if they were stuck in a situation, say suppose they were in a third party, then I see them majorly giving the attention to you this month. Okay, like majorly choosing this connection over the third party if they had an option. Okay, so regarding your person, what are they up to? Regarding Scorpio soulmate, what are they up to? But this person is an overthinker. So many of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. With the Fool card, this person does want to make a move towards you. They want to take that leap of faith towards you. In the past, you guys might have had an argument or a small fight which led to a break or a breakup. But this time, I see them making a move. If you have been silent or you haven't really, try to message them or reach out, I do see this person reaching out. Okay, oh God, how are they thinking about you now? How are they truly thinking about Scorpio? The moon card, this person believes that you might move on to something else in your life. They are very much insecure, just like I told you. With the moon card, this person might also think that you already have moved on or will move on. Okay, with Four of Cups in the reverse, they are very fearful of losing this opportunity with you. Okay, one more card in terms of how are they going to be coming forward towards you now, or they possibly going to be coming forward towards Scorpio, please. With Three of Cups, they might come off as friends, kind of in that friendly manner, not in a very romantic manner, but they might be still pretending to be friendly towards you, even if they got emotions for you. Okay, so what's their overall intention going to be towards Scorpio? What's their overall intention going to be like towards Scorpio? With Ace of Wands, they definitely want a new beginning with you. Okay, just like I told you, it's all about new beginnings this month. In the past, this person wasn't able to make a decision. They were very indecisive. So I do see a lot of A in their chart. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Some of you could be dealing with the fire sign Leo, especially Leo or possibly Sagittarius. Okay, one more card in terms of what action do they want to take towards you now. What action does this person want to take towards Scorpio, please? With Two of Cups, this person is definitely reaching out and wanting to offer you a new beginning, a new relationship, a revival of relationship. If they've been acting single or acting unbothered, I definitely see them wanting to change that with Nine of Pentacles in the reverse. Okay, they definitely miss you, and if you haven't reached out or if you've been kind of ghosting them, that has been enough for them to make that move towards you. Okay, so yes, in terms of their feelings, however, one card for their feelings. With Page of Wands, they definitely always had this attraction towards you. This could be sexual. So some of you, this person was someone who always tried to flirt with you, sext with you, you know. So that was always going on. Okay. For some of you, this person might be a bit younger. Doesn't have to be, but could be. If they are not younger by age, kind of a little childish, to be honest. Okay. So what do they have in their heart space right now? What do they truly have in their heart space? This person is very much interested in you, okay, regardless of how they behave or what they've been telling you. This person still wants you. With the Magician card, they definitely want to manifest this connection with you now. Okay, so what do they have to offer? What do they have to offer? Five of Pentacles. Problem could, however, be that this person might still be stuck in the past, but this person wants to give you a lot of attention, a lot of communication coming your way. This month, I believe you guys will be getting a lot of communication from this individual, okay? But might be this person still is stuck in the past for whatever reasons. Something has happened in the past that they are not completely over. Okay, I'm not know if you guys fought or you guys caught them or they caught you, but something definitely is on their mind that they are not being able to, you know, deal with. One more card where things are going to be going for the month of June. Ace of Swords, so communication will definitely come in. Okay, with the Lovers card, if they have had a choice between two individuals, this person is definitely choosing you. They want to balance this connection out with you now. Okay, so how do they think about you now? One card for in terms of feelings, intentions. How do they think about you now? With Seven of Pentacles, I believe this person has taken the longest time to reach out or to possibly put in effort. They haven't been doing much, like when it comes to taking action towards you or putting in that effort. They've always waited on you to take that action. So if you guys had a thing going, they always waited for you to message them or reach out or call, whatever. They were never the one who always called. Okay, okay. So what are the major blockages? What are the major blockages that would be getting in the way? But I do see this person stuck in the past, okay, for whatever reasons. I do not know what has happened in the past. You guys might have definitely had a fallout. Okay, with Page of Cups, I believe someone was waiting for an apology which never came in. Okay, So might be that that has been stopping the relationship. If you did something wrong and they waited for you to apologize, and you might have never apologized. So if they did something wrong, you might be waiting for it. So take however it resonates. But someone was waiting for things to be like they wanted someone to make things right, and someone did not. Okay, someone feels that this connection isn't balanced, that someone has been doing everything and the other person is just, you know like, it's a taker and a giver situation. Someone has been giving all their life in this connection, and someone is always taking, so it's never balanced. So that could be getting in the way for many of you. Okay, so this is all I have for Scorpios, but I do see a lot of communication coming your way, if you want it or not. If you do not want the past person, I do see something new coming in. Regardless of past or new, I see this person wanting to move things forward with you. Now it's up to you whether you want them, or you want to stay single, or you want to take more time. That's all up to you. Okay, so this was your reading for the month of June, Scorpio. If it resonated, please do hit the like button, to let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. If you want a personal reading with me, please do reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you for coming in, and I hope you guys have a great month ahead. Cheers. See you soon.